Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a temporary license plate online and complete the order the right way. This is helpful if you need a temporary plate fast and if you want to handle everything from home using your phone or computer. So first, go to your documents ready before you start. You'll need a valid driver's license or a non-driver ID. A passport or an international license can also work. You also need either proof of insurance or proof that you own the vehicle. Next, go to the website and choose the option to start your plate order. You'll be asked to pick a state. If you don't see your state as an option, that usually means it's not offered there, and the site will show another state that you can qualify for, even if you're not a resident. So after that, you'll land on an online form. Fill out the form from top to bottom, and when you get near the end, upload a clear photo front of your photo or your ID. Upload a clear front photo of your ID. Then you'll select whether the plate is under a personal name or a business name. And then right after that, you will answer the insurance question. If the vehicle is insured, upload a document that shows the policy number. If it's not insured, upload proof of ownership like a title, lease, contract, or a bill of sale. So once everything is filled in and your files are uploaded, add the order to your cart and continue to checkout. Choose one of the payment methods provided, place the order, and you'll see a confirmation screen. You'll also receive an email with your order number and a summary so that you can keep it for your records. And shortly after that, you'll get another email with an authorization form. Open the document, type your full name, add your signature, initials, and the date. So then submit it by clicking the finish button. So after that, the order goes into processing and it usually takes around 1 to 2 hours. So when it's ready, you'll receive an email with attachments. So one file includes the temporary plate and the registration card plus a dealer copy. So another file includes quick instructions: print everything, laminate the plate, and put it on the back of the vehicle where the plates normally go. And keep the registration card inside the vehicle with you. So just remember that the orders are processed every day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you need help, you can reach customer service by phone or email on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and on weekends from 9 a.m. to 7 or 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.